How to update the Starbucks app to the latest version. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. After you open Play Store, search for Starbucks. If you don't find Starbucks in here, you can go to the Chrome and click on it. Starbucks by searching Starbucks. After you've done that, if it's installed, you will find Update option in the Starbucks. You can simply click on Update, and after it updates, you will find the latest version of Starbucks app in your device. And this is how to update the Starbucks app to the latest version. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.